Hey everyone, Golden Ninja 3000 here again. Today, Brickset has received an image of the LEGO Minifigures Looney Tunes series. This is going to be the next minifigure series releasing in May. There are 12 figures again, continuing the 2021 trend. And I'm kind of conflicted on these guys. It's very similar to the Simpsons series. And I do really like parts of this. Like I love the new molds. I'm really excited about some of the pieces, like those printed cheese slopes, but I also just don't care about Looney Tunes. I must have watched it when I was a kid because I feel like everyone does, but I don't have like any huge connection to these characters. I only recognize a couple of them. So I don't really know how I feel in general. This is pretty much the only image we have. The only other picture is like this one with the receipt proving that, this is a legit discovery or leak. But going back to the molds, I feel like some of the head molds look really good, like whoever this guy is, and then this is like the Tasmanian devil or something, I think. I don't know. I'm so bad with this. But I really like some of the molds, and yet like on the pigs, I just think that those look super awkward and not like Lego at all. I also feel that way about Tweety Bird and a little bit about Lola Bunny, but like I think Bugs looks a little bit better. So I don't know, I'm just kind of conflicted because some of it works, I think. Daffy Duck works very well, but then some of it just looks completely un-Lego like. I'm pretty sure they did this because the new Space Jam 2 movie is coming out this summer, but it still feels kind of random to me. Like, I mean, I guess Simpsons was random too, but, I just feel like it's really weird to throw out a Looney Tunes series like this when it's not directly tied into the new movie. But that's pretty much it for today. We'll link to Brickset in the description, and I will cover this again when we do get official images. Bye for now.